Hey, this is Dave from Unipro. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built an email list of 1,357 very hot leads, how I did it super fast, and the best part is I didn't spend a dime. All of these new email subscribers came from Facebook. Let me show you how it works. So you probably know you should have an email list. You own that list. You can use that list over and over and over again to get more customers and more clients. Email marketing is just such a great way to build your business. But the question is, how do you get email subscribers? Where are these people coming from? Well, typically there's two schools of thought. The first way some people build an email list is by using paid traffic. They use pay-per-click traffic to send people to some sort of opt-in, and hopefully those people will join their email list and then they can market to them in the future. And that might work, but with today's ad costs going up, it becomes extremely expensive to build an email list that way. And so the other way that some people try and build an email list is they do something like this. They put an opt-in box on their website. And this one is very typical. It says, want more? Sign up for my monthly newsletter for book news, insider exclusives, recipes, and book recommendations. And so you can put a little pop-up box like this, or you might have a little bar like this on your website. And this is great in theory, but the reality is you're not going to grow your email list having little boxes like this on your website unless your website is getting thousands and thousands of people to your website each and every single day, which most websites aren't. So what option are you left with? How can you build your email list without spending thousands of dollars and without already having tons of traffic going to your website? Well, let me show you the strategy that I used to get 1,357 hot leads on my email list, and I did it for free. Here's how it works. First step is to create something of value. And in this case, I created a presentation. It's all about growing Facebook groups. So this is about adding members to your Facebook group in 24 days, no ads, no funnels, or no VAs. And I took this presentation and turned it into an evergreen video. So this video here is an asset. This is something of value that people will want. Now I'm gonna give you a little tip here. I do not recommend going to all the work of building all these slides. You can take a look at this presentation here. It's got 59 slides, all these graphics. There's a ton of work that went into this. Am I gonna create that just to use it as a lead magnet, to use it as an asset? No, this was a presentation that Lucy, my wife, and I, we gave somewhere else. And so we took this presentation, made it into an evergreen video, and now we can use that as an asset over and over and over again. And that's what I recommend for you as well, is take something you already have and turn it into something of value, turn it into an asset. That's step number one. Step number two is to gate it. And what do I mean by that? It means creating a landing page, something like this, where people have to give you their name and email address in order to access that thing of value. And you probably heard this referred to as a lead magnet. So in this case, for someone to get access to that video that I just showed you, they need to come to this page, they need to click on this button, watch now, and then they enter in their information, and then they get access. That's step number two. And this is where most people stop. They create a lead magnet and they create a gate, but then no traffic ever ends up on this page. Here's how we're gonna get traffic. You're gonna go and offer this and offer this and offer this. I'm gonna show you a couple ways that I offered this particular page. So here's one example, is I made a post. This one is on January 5th on my personal profile. And here I'm talking about growing a Facebook group. I put this graphic showing how quickly our Facebook group is growing. And then people had the opportunity to comment saying they wanna grow their Facebook group as well. So now I'm generating interest, and I'll show you how we're gonna turn this into email subscribers in just a second. This is just the first way that I offered this particular thing of value. Here's the second way. Inside my Facebook group, I made a post that said this: new strategy, using 4 free features on Facebook, we get hundreds of members to join our Facebook group per week. Want to see the steps? So again, I'm offering that thing of value, growing your Facebook group. It's very clear why people would want this. And then when they ask for it, like Alexandra said, yes, please here, then I can offer it to her. And I'll show you how in just a second. Here's another opportunity though, where I offered this thing of value. So I'm back over on my personal Facebook profile, and you can see that now it's March 7th. So I'm offering this same asset over and over and over and over again over the course of many months. And you can see here, this is again talking about Facebook groups. It's talking about how one of our clients grew her Facebook group, and it shows the amazing group growth that she got. And again, people are seeing this and saying, I want that too. So you offer your thing of value, you offer it, and you just keep on offering it in different ways. I use my Facebook profile and my Facebook groups. Now the next step, step number 4, is to actually deliver the thing of value. You need to give the people what they want. I'm going to show you an example here. So I'm going to go back over to this example where I was offering the thing of value inside my Facebook group. Every single person who commented on this post, they got it delivered to them via Messenger. And you can see right here that this particular post got 2,100 comments. So that's a lot of leads who are getting the link that's going to take them back over to this, the landing page, the gate, where they have to give me their email address. So let's take a look at practically how did this work. Alexandra here, she said, yes, please, I want this. And so what do? I send her a message. Let's go take a look. It says, hey, Alexandra, hope you're having a good day so far. as requested, here's the strategy we use to grow our Facebook groups by 100 to 200 new members each week. And then I give her the link that's going to take her over to that opt-in page where she can get access to the video training. And so you can see how powerful this is. I'm offering this thing of value multiple times over the course of months, and it's always driving people back to an opt-in page where the asset is gated. They have to give their name and email address in order to access it. And now my email list is growing very, very quickly. I'm going to tell you 2 other bonuses of using this strategy for growing your email list. Bonus number 1 is the social proof on posts like this. So Alexandra, when she commented on this, hundreds of people who had already opted in. So Alexandra, when she comes over here and she sees all these people are asking for this thing, and then when she gets the link to the thing sent by me in Messenger, in the DMs here, is she actually going to go and opt in? Well, the chances are yes, because she asked for the thing. She also saw so many other people getting the thing. So her chance of actually opting in when she comes over to this page is huge. Your opt-in rate is going to go through the roof. That's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is not only are you growing your email list. So in this case, through this one strategy, I got 1,357 new hot leads on my email list. But the bonus here is every single one of those leads, I'm also in conversation with them through Messenger. So Alexandra here, I've got her on my email list. I've also got her in Messenger. So now I have 2 ways to nurture that lead, to see what she wants, to give her value, and then to turn her into a paying customer or a paying client. And you can do the exact same thing. Now, full transparency here, you might ask, well, where are these leads coming from and how are you filling up your Facebook group? We use a tool, it's called Unipro. It's amazing. It automates all of our Facebook marketing for us. It goes and finds leads, it gets them into conversation, it nurtures those leads, it brings them into our Facebook group so we can turn them into paying customers and clients. And if you haven't checked out Unipro yet, you definitely need to check it out. I know you're going to love it. That's what I've got for you in this video today. If this was helpful at all, give this video a like. And if you have any comments or questions about this particular strategy for growing your email list, leave those below. I'm happy to help out. And again, if you haven't checked out Unipro yet, you gotta check it out. It's gonna help you grow your business so much more quickly. So thanks for tuning into this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.